Billionaires have a specific belief system that helps them to attract huge amount of wealth all the time. And I have broken down each of the elements of their belief system so that you too can adopt the same and attract huge amount of wealth, money and abundance in your life too. The video that I made first time, that was the first part of this series, I shared the first three elements, and in this particular video I'll be sharing the next three elements of their belief system. You can find the first part towards the end of this video, and make sure you watch both the video. Now the next 3 points are even more important, so pay attention. And the last point is the most important one, so stick around till the end. The fourth element is the spirit of letting go of their money. They are not afraid of parting with the money or giving away their money because they are not attached with their money. They know that when they give up some money, they let go of their money, it is going to come back to them multiplied several times. So they are not afraid of letting go of their money. So I am talking about the habit of investment. Now, some people would say that I don't really have any money, how can I invest and all? This is a lack mindset. Even these people, most of these billionaires, they started with zero. They did not have money. But whatever money they had, they used part of it to invest. Some invested in stock markets, some invested in business, some invested to fulfill their dreams, whatever that might be. And gradually, with time, they grew into what they are today. Because the universe knows who is attached with money, who is not attached with money. Let me give you an example. Person A is willing to spend thousands on an expensive phone, but when asked to spend on getting some skills, getting some knowledge to help him increase his wealth, his money, he would say he doesn't have the money because he wants to spend it on more important stuff like buying phones. Now, buying phone is not a bad thing, but not at the cost of your skills and your knowledge that can help you multiply your money several times. This person A would make another excuse that what if he loses all money? He's afraid to let go of the money. Now, see the kind of belief system he has about money. He's too much attached with money. He's afraid of losing the money. Whereas person B would save that money. Instead of right away buying the phone, he would postpone buying the phone and would study the stocks. He would invest in courses, in books, and learn more about the stock market, and then make some educated decisions about where to invest and where not to invest. After 2 years, person A is exactly where he was 2 years back, and rather, he is always broke in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. Whereas person B is a millionaire by now. And the phone that he had to buy back then, of course, he has purchased that phone and he has a better phone than person A. The conclusion of this example is you get what you give, and that too multiplied several times. And this concept applies to everything, whether it is money, love, health, some good behavior, everything. Because this is called the law of giving and receiving. You give something out and you receive the thing. There is a give and take relationship in this universe, in this cosmic world. The fifth most important element is being with people with higher vibrational energy. In simpler words, they are around those people who are already there, who already are living his or her dreams. Now, there are two types of people in this world. One, who are going to drag you down. The naysayers. They will tell you that you cannot do it. They will tell you that your dream is just impossible. They're going to move you away from your dreams. These are energy suckers. Stay away from these people. Instead, stay with the second type of people, the ones who are going to help you grow. These are the people who already have what you want. These people have a very higher vibrational frequency. And when you're around people with higher vibrational frequency, higher vibrational energy, you're automatically going to grow your vibrational frequency too. And eventually, you're going to attract what you want. And now is the very, very important one, and that is patience, which is trusting the process and letting go. How exactly do these millionaires let go of their obsession? That is the magic, because there are people who will do everything else, but they are always obsessed with, why am I not getting results? Why am I not getting results? It should have happened by now. They keep on checking their bank accounts if money is pouring in, if sales are coming in. They keep checking if there's a, suppose there is a YouTube channel, they'll keep checking if their YouTube channel is growing, subscribers are growing. Patience is key. Most of us dream about overnight success. Definitely, you can manifest some money, little money overnight, but I'm not talking about that. Money can come within hours. It has happened with me. But I am talking about bigger success. I am talking about making millions and accumulating wealth like multi-millionaires. So be patient, which is trusting in the process. And how do you trust the process? How do you manage to keep going without worrying whether it is working or not? How basically you let go of this obsession? It's very simple. They don't really think about it. They just keep on doing and concentrating on the work they are doing. They live in the present. When Cristiano Ronaldo is playing football, he doesn't really care about whether he's going to win, whether he's going to lose, what the people, the supporters are going to say. Of course, he's not thinking about that. What he's focused upon is how exactly he's going to make that goal happen. Bill Gates, Satya Nadella, Tata, Ambani, these people, they focus on how they can help serve their customers better. They focus upon improving their business to help the people, to serve the people better. When you are focused in the present moment, doing what you love doing and not thinking about anything else, that is when you automatically get what you want. The money is going to flow in from all sides. So now let me just summarize the three elements that we have just discussed in this video. The first is they are not afraid of parting with their money. The second element of their belief system is they are around people with higher vibrational frequency. And the third element of their belief system is they are very, very patient. They know the art of letting go. Now, here is this first part of this video where I have shared the first three elements of their belief system. So definitely go and watch this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.